Hello and welcome to Game Night How-Tos presented by Gather Together Games. This video will cover how to play the party game Relative Insanity. The video will start with the general concepts and then cover the gameplay. The game is played with 4 to 12 players. The game comes with setup cards and punchline cards. The setup cards are placed in the middle of the players. Each player is dealt 7 punchline cards to start. The object of the game is to win setup cards. Setup cards are awarded by the judge each round. Going back to the hand that was dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. Each round, one player is the judge and will draw one setup card. Players other than the judge will select one of their punchline cards that best goes with the setup card. The punchline cards are placed face down in front of the judge. Once all the punchline cards are submitted, the judge will shuffle them. The setup is read aloud again, followed by each punchline card. The judge will then select the winning punchline card. The player that submitted the winning punchline card is awarded the setup card. The player left of the current judge becomes the new judge. Players' hands are returned to 7 cards. A new setup card is drawn by the new judge and play continues as in round 1. The game is won when a player has won 5 setup cards. The winner in each round is decided by the judge's opinion, so consider the judge's personality when submitting a punchline card. That wraps up how to play Relative Insanity. Find time this month to gather together with family and friends and enjoy a game. Thanks for watching.